everyone, it's Cal from Cal's Craft, and I have Millie on my new camera.
Hi.
Because I'm not sure how we're going to do this yet, so we're just playing, aren't we? This came in the post today. I think I know what it is. I'm not 100% sure, so we'll get into it and see if it's what I think it is. I always start wanting to cough, don't I, Mel, when the camera goes on play. Yeah, I think. Let me have a peeky. Can I see? Yeah, it is. This is from Victoriamoon. They contacted me again. They probably contacted everybody again. They wanted us. They've started to do the partials, the half drill diamond paintings, and they asked me would I look at one, see what I thought of it, blah blah blah. The usual thing that Victoria would do. I said, yeah, I'll have a look. If I like something, I'll review it for you. If I don't like anything, you'll have to excuse me out of this one. But I did come across this, and I went through all the pages. There were some nice ones, but I just thought this one, you'll know why I like this one when you see it. And I thought if I don't do it, the girls will probably like doing this one because they like doing partials as well. So this is, I'll get it out. Is that everything? Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll let that just rest for a minute, and as you can see, it is taped glue, not poured glue. That's my bag of drills, and we've got Victoriamoon. Yeah, sorry. And can you see that?
Yep.
Victoriamoon's always send you a pen. I've never used it yet, so I might actually. The other one, I don't even know where it is. Can you show it now? So one end, I think that's the wax end one, and I don't know what that one end is for.
It's like a pin.
Is it like a pin? So I don't know. So I think it's more like a nail art pen than a diamond painting pen.
But you could always use that to like scrape off stray ones.
Oh, you pick up your bits of wax that's got on a diamond. That would be a good idea. You could pick it up with that, couldn't you? They have given me an itinerary sheet. So we have 36 colours in this. So that's something. So it's roughly told me what I've got. So 36 colours. Let's have a look at the. Sorry about the crinkling. I've got to figure out how to get into it. I'll show you the toolkit first. Right to the side. Right, can you see this, Mel? Am I in the shop?
Yeah.
So this is a Victoriamoon toolkit. So we have a one placer and
Nine.
Is that 9?
Possibly.
Looks like a 9.
I think it looks like a 9, yeah.
Looks like a 9. Squidgy. And they look like they are. Yes, they are. They're very pointy. Very, very pointy. Feel the edge of them. You wouldn't want to drop that on your toe.
They are very sharp.
So you have to be careful with them. Then we've got an extra piece of adhesive. So if it does come unsticky, you can stick that on.
Good
apparently.
idea.
Yeah, if some comes away, apparently you can use that. Some wax.
It's a decent amount, isn't it?
And I like these little white boats, don't we? We all like these little white boats. So that's not a bad little toolkit. So you've got everything there you need to start. Right, let's have a look at the canvas. Right, I'll pull some of the... I know you're dying to see what the picture is, but I'm going to have to pull some of this back for you to be able to see. I might have to get Millie to insert a picture if we can't see it on here. I'm going to try and pull this back really slow for you to see. You could tell it's taped because it's come up a little bit there, so that's why I'm going slow. Hopefully take my time so I don't cause any rivers or bubbles, because sometimes you can cause your own.
Canvas looks good so far, doesn't it?
Yeah, so far so good. They have got training wheels, which I know a lot of people... This looks more like a full drill, doesn't it? And a partial.
Maybe the partial's further up.
I think they sent me a full drill instead of a partial. Because it's only supposed to, these white bits aren't supposed to be. They've sent me the full drill, haven't they? This isn't, it's supposed to be a partial. I'm not complaining.
These bits here are drills.
Yeah, it was only supposed to be this. These flowers and butterflies. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see that it's butterflies?
Yeah.
Right, hang on then. Can you focus in on, if I bring that on, Mel, can you focus? Is it focusing on it?
Yeah, you can see.
See that lady?
Yeah.
Well, all the white bits are supposed to be non-drill. I'm not going to complain. I will let them know. No, that's just where I'm going to put that down.
The canvas is very smooth though, isn't it?
And it's got a bit of a funny smell to a bit of a inky sort of, I don't know.
Yeah, bit like
Chemically.
PVA glue.
Yeah, PVA glue smell. That's one way of saying it. So we'll measure it in a minute as well. The glue does go over on the edges. As you saw down the bottom, it's the same as the top, not quite as high on the top. Because it's supposed to be a 30 by 40. So I'll have to contact her and say you've sent me a full drill and not a partial. I didn't even know they did this one in the full drill. So I'll be cutting or taping these edges because that will get on my nerves. So as you can see, it's of an African lady, dancing African lady with butterflies and things.
It's really nice.
Hi Joe. Just Jessie. Say hi Jess. Hey. Hi. They've got to expect people are going to come in and out because it's holiday. So can you see her?
Yeah, you can really see what it is when you pull it back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this is going to be stunning. I'm really... It's supposed to be a partial, Jess, and it's come as a full.
I mean, when you put it in.
So I can't give her a review on the
Partial.
because it's not. So I'm trying to make sure that I stick this, because sometimes if you don't stick this down properly yourself, you can cause rivers and bubbles. So, yeah. So I'll just... See how it goes over?
Yeah.
You see this? So I'm going to get tape.
that.
Yeah. So I'll just measure that. That is... Hang on. Oh, I'm stuck to it. Hang on. That is about 1 millimetre off 30.
Which is pretty good.
Yeah. So pretty much...
That's 45.
40 there. Which is... Yeah.
Yeah.
See there? Can you see that corner there, Mel?
Yeah.
So if I put that onto the edge there. So again, probably 1 mil, 2 mil short of 40, so pretty much 30, 40. As I say, the only thing with that key there is you've got all that.
Oh yeah, that bit there's really sticky.
Yeah, so we're going to have to cut that off. So shall we have a look at the drills?
Yeah.
Do you want to tip the drills out, Jess, for me? Go on, I dare you tip them from the height. Go on. Yay! So what we'll do is we'll stop the camera. Jess, you can sort them out and check off the checklist for me. Jessie's checked them all off. She's ticked them all, said they're all here, and she's spaced them out like this. So I thought we'll have a look. So we have a look at some of these are round drills, by the way. I know I said training wheels, but some of you might not know that means they're round. So I'll pick some of the... That's a 934. Can you see them, Mel?
Yeah.
They look very good, to be fair.
Yeah, there's no like... I haven't seen any odd ones.
No, let's have a look at the 310s. We have got a little hitchhiker who's wanted to come to Wales. Say hello to the girls.
They look like pretty in shape though, don't they?
Should I put some in the tray? Would it be easier
Yeah.
for it to focus in the tray? Let's have a look. Oh, they do look nice and shiny. Oh!
Oh no.
Oops. We'll just switch off while I clean up. Sorry about that. They went everywhere, but Millie picked them up for me, bless her.
Yeah.
One's on the floor. So that's they look really, really shiny. Up a bit.
Yeah. If you just
In.
yeah, there you can see the shine on them now.
And I can't see any concaves, any knobbly bits.
No, they all look really perfect, don't
Yeah, they look really good. But you'll only know when you're actually doing the diamond painting. So what I'll do, and I'll just put these back in here because we've had one little accident and we don't want another one. I don't think Millie would be so keen to pick them up. And they're all in bags. They have the number, the DMC number, and the weight to the back. So, I mean, there's no way of knowing if you've got enough drills until you've done it. But the colours are absolutely gorgeous.
This one,
yeah. I mean, that is beautiful. Look at them two colours.
They look really nice.
I know, some really,
they all go well
yeah,
together.
It's going to look stunning because African clothes and things are just so bright and cheerful and lovely. So I'm going to tip them all off to the side, and then I'm going to show you if the canvas is clear or not. I forgot to show you that. So I'm going to peel it back gently again.
It looks pretty clear, doesn't it?
Can you see? Can you zoom in? Do you want me to link it up, or do you want to zoom in?
I'll zoom in. Yeah, bring it a bit closer because the light is shining on it.
Can you see?
No, it doesn't want to focus.
You want me to go down a bit?
If I zoom out and you just bring it closer,
Okay.
then we'll try that. There you go.
Can you see? They
Yeah.
look very, very clear. I can't see. Can you see any letters that look the same? There is a J and an I.
Yeah.
Can you see the J and the I? Might get a bit confusing.
But that's about it.
Yeah. And there's one there, look here. Can you focus in here? Them symbols are J, that letter there, and the I or whatever it is. They might get a bit confused if you've not got a light pad for that one. But again,
Yeah.
I won't know until I do it. And as I say,
Very sticky.
yeah.
But
this type of
it does go over the edge.
tape glue, it always is. So, have we covered everything, Millie?
Think so.
I think so.
I love that they're in bags already.
Yeah, so they're going to be easy to use and easy to kit up. You just start. I know I've mixed them all up. Jessie will go mad. Don't tell her, please. So as I say, true to size. What was the price? I think, well, a half drill one was supposed to be $14.99 for a 40 by 30 round drill. What size do they go up to? Let me have a look. No, that's the only size of that one. So you haven't got any choices. There is a lot on there of choice of half drill diamond paintings. So again, it's from victoriamoon.co.uk. As I say, it was easy. It came within 2 weeks. Let me have a look. When did she contact me? 23rd of March she contacted me and then asked me to choose a picture. So yeah, so 23rd, 7, 8, 17 days from when she contacted me to
That's
when it
good.
came. So it's not too bad with everything that's going on. I'm not sure when I'll get to do it because at the moment I'm doing my Diamond Art Club and I'm loving that. So there you go, that's my little opening of the Victoriamoon's half drill. It's turned into a full drill and I'm not complaining. So yeah, I'll love you and leave you. I'll let you know when I've done it and I'll give you a review on it. So there's the kit. So thanks for watching. Look after yourselves. Take care. If you want to have a chat, a comment or whatever, down below. If you want to subscribe and you haven't, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to know when we go live or put another video up, because we'd love to have you on board with us. So take care, stay safe, and speak to you all soon. Bye.